Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have a Diamond Art Club sneak peek for you, and it's not a virtual sneak peek. We do appreciate you all hanging with us through those. We improvised, right? We wanted to give you something, but appreciate it. I know it's tough times right now, confusion, and you don't know what the future holds, but Diamond Art Club came through for this sneak peek, was able to get this out here. This is absolutely stunning. It is called Rainbow Tornado. It is by Color Out of Place, 55.6 centimeters by 70.7 centimeters. Here is the picture. It looks like a beautiful tornado of rainbow, right? It is a round drill, and we have our regular box here with instructions. We have our thumbnail at the bottom. Let's see, it's 70 colors, including 1 AB and 5 fairy dusts. Oh my gosh, total diamonds, 51,914. That is beautiful. I cannot wait to see this kit. And this opens from the top here. And it looks like we have our little slide out drawer. I don't know why I call them drawers. Some people call drawers other things, but to me this is a drawer. It's a drawer. Anyway, so we have our tool kit, which we'll go through. We have our little thank you card insert, and we have our canvas. Let me just put this drawer over here. Alright, so let's go through the toolkit very quickly. If you want more details about the toolkit, there are a bazillion videos out there, but I'm just going to run through it here. You have baggies for extra storage. You have our new Diamond Art Club pin that you twist and it exposes the putty. Make sure you twist slowly. And yeah, it's like putty wax now. See? It's awesome. Okay. And it comes with a 4-placer. We have our upgraded tray with lid. It comes with a heart wax in case you don't like that putty stuff. Extra putty for the refillable pin. And a 7-placer. And tray with stopper. And these can be stacked. You can see little grooves right here. And you can put the lid back on if you want to. Whatever, Okay, set this over here. Let's look through this little thank you, my bob. Oh my god, a card. Let me zoom in. Okay. So, thank you with our Treasure Quest card. Ooh, look at this. This is beautiful Rainbow Tornado. So if you don't know about these are another thing that you can collect. And if you flip it over, you have something you can scratch off here to redeem. You can rack up points for things like gift cards, even a custom diamond painting. There's more info on their website. I'll have the direct link to the Treasure Quest cards information in the description. But yeah, you have all your canvas info down here. This is a really pretty card. I like it. I can dig it. Okay. And on this thing here, we have our tips and tricks step-by-step instructions. You have your QR codes and everything. If you haven't purchased from Diamond Art Club before, check out my affiliate link in the description. And you get a discount and I get a little bit of a kickback, so check that out. Okay, so here is, oh, I'm not even in frame, look at that. Here is our stickers. These are individualized stickers, as you can see here. So you can put these on your containers when you kit up your diamond painting. So 70 whole colors, my goodness. Okay, so here's another close-up of the image. This is also a sticker that you can put in your logbook or your drill container. If you have a bunch of whips, you can put your start and end date. That's also an individual sticker, as you can see. And, ooh, this is an individual sticker too. Yeah, that's good for your logbook. We work hard on these. So you want to keep a record, there you go. So, here are our symbols. So we have our AB here, and they put all the special drills at the end now. So has AB, and if it has the Z, it's the fairy dust. So quite a few fairy dusts in this kit. I bet they're going to be kind of scattered throughout the tornado. That's how we say tornado here in Missouri. A tornado. Anyway, I'm going to open this up here. I never get it on the first try. It's not that hard. Like, I'm sure that there's like an elegant way to do it, but just ask my husband. I'm very impatient. Even when it comes to opening letters. I just rip that thing open. He's all delicate. Not I, said the fly. Okay, let's open it. Oh my gosh, look at all these colors. Okay. So, here are my drills. We'll go through those one by one. I'm going to flatten out this canvas real quick. Okay, I had to zoom out a little bit, but I got it flattened. Look how beautiful this is. This is so stunning. Oh my gosh, it looks like fire all up over here. I don't think it is. I think it's the crazy sky. But this is so, so pretty. So we do have our black grid lines for the perforated canvas here. And I'll show you that. So along these dot lines, you can easily tear it open. No bleed through, nothing going on there. So you can hold that down, easily tear it up and start working on your canvas. Or you can, use these papers or whatever you want to do, but it's there in case you do want to utilize that. But yeah, so there's the ground of it. And here's the sky. It is beautiful. I really thought there was going to be like more crazy confetti, but it's a good blend of color blocking and confetti. It's really, really pretty. I love the color fades. Maybe you want to check out the sky over here. And I'll give you another look at the end, but we're going to go ahead and go through the drills here. Okay, let me put this down. So here are our drills. Let me go ahead and open this up and we'll go through them one by one. If you don't like this part, that's totally fine. There are 70 colors here and we're gonna go through them all. So feel free to fast forward if you don't care about seeing the colors individually. So here is our drill layout here. Beautiful. This kit is good as a round drill too. And I don't get a lot of those, so that's neat. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna zoom back in just a little bit. Okay, so we have 930. Right off the bat here, we have Z327, one of our fairy dust. So if you haven't seen these before, it kind of looks like there's a glitter coating on the top of the drills. You can see that? Yeah. All right, and then we have 3740, 3834, 3853. We have 433. Another fairy dust drill, Z741. Beautiful. Oop, and another one, Z722. So we got lots of oranges for that orange piece on the left. 3830, 400, 3750, 550, 3685, 3768, 336, 823. Here's our AB. Looks like it's another one in the orange realm. AB 972, 840, 779, 801. All right, let's go to our next strand here. This is one of the smaller ones, I believe. Okay, we have 954, a really pretty mint color. 3839, 6002, 155, 316, 3364. Those are pretty greens. 913, 734, 6014, 370, 760, 3350. And another fairy dust, Z992. Beautiful. 900, 3687, 961, 680, 604, 315-976. Okay. We have 317-924, 645-309, 3831-725, 3776, 3041, 301, 3814, 947, 414, 163, 3832, 435, 892, 3772, 371, 167, 938. All right, last small strand here. We have 898, 3799, 3340. We have 939, 355, 3803. Ooh, another fairy dust. Z3705. Beautiful. 356, 154, 3721. So we have a huge array of colors here, of course, because it is a rainbow tornado. So I'm going to give you a quick close-up of the canvas now. So we're starting at the top left with the, I don't know, I call it the fire side, I think, but I don't think it's a fire. I think it's the sky, you know? So, like I said, there's a decent amount of confetti here, but as you can see, there's chunks of the same symbol. Let me see what the fairy dust symbols are. Okay, so we have percent, minus, plus, a little up arrow, squiggle, squiggle, percent, minus. Yeah, so as you can see, the fairy dusts are all those orange ones are all just, you know, sprinkled throughout, but it goes in waves, so you have different shades of colors going like in stripes up and down, and then the fairy dust kind of border those different colors. So that's gonna create a really beautiful effect to the finished piece. And then on the ground level, we have a bit more, you know, color block. I don't know. I don't know if I'd call it color blocking, but it's not crazy confetti either. And I really, really like this pretty blue piece in here. Like that adds, and you got like a trickle of yellow right next to it. The color transitions are very, very beautiful. And then you have the, over here, so it comes off like orangey on my camera, but this is, in person, this is like a hot pink color. Yeah, I think you saw it in the colors. And then you have like the little orangey in the middle. But this is like dark pink, like hot pink and orange yellow. Just so beautiful. It's like the left side, but more pink and red. And then yeah, the color transition, this goes from a blue to a purple. This is going to be a beautiful piece completed. I hope some of you get it, and I would love to see the finished piece because I bet it's gorgeous. I might work on this here soon because I love it. And again, this is by Color Out of Place. Wow. So beautiful painting here. This releases tomorrow as of the day this is filmed. This is filmed on Friday. So definitely check it out. Make sure you join the Diamond Art Club VIP group. I'll have the link in the description below. And like I said, if you haven't purchased from Diamond Art Club before, check out my affiliate link. I get a small kickback and, you know, you get a discount too. So definitely check that out. So thank you all so much for watching. If you're brand new, hit the subscribe button and please hit the thumbs up on the way out. We really appreciate it. So until next time, everyone, bye-bye.